Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I remember humble self Chokobilago, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to swap one asset for the other. Okay, one asset for the other. So in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap an asset for FMTB. So you see the normal disclaimer warning. So I'm going to swap. Which coin should I swap? I'm going to swap USDT for FMTB. I believe there's a pool connection between this that will connect to this, but let's see how it goes. So in this case I want to do a test to see what the value of FMTB will show me in USDT, but we don't have enough liquidity for USDT because the liquidity pair for USDT on the exchange is DAI USDT. So in this case now, click this tiny arrow and put FMTB at the top and put in 1 and see if it will give me any liquidity. None is showing, so I think we'll have to use BUSD in this case. Alright, so use BUSD. So right now, one FMTB is worth $10.6929 in BUSD. So I'm going to run a test of buying FMTB with BUSD. So in the case I want to buy, I want to use $1 to do this transaction. Now there are certain things I want you to notice in this trade. First is how I placed the asset you want to use to purchase the other asset has to be at the top. That's number one. Number one thing I want you to take note of, in this training. Number two is that the exchange always gives you an output. So it's not like you're going in blind. The exchange always tells you how much you're going to get for swapping this asset for another asset. So if we're swapping $1 BUSD, the exchange is telling us that we are going to get 0.0922665 FMTB as the output. Now, if this is okay by you, fine, no problem. If this is not okay by you, then you pause and wait for a better offer, either through the buying and selling activities, whether you want to be able to buy more or you want to buy less, whatever your choice is. So the next step, or the next thing I want you to take note of, aside from the position of the asset you want to use to buy, and also from the outcome, is the swap button. When you click the swap button, it gives you this summary of what the output will be. So you can see that it's going to give me 0.0922665, but you will receive at least, so in the situation of maybe price volatility, you are likely going to get 0.0918075 FMTB, or the transaction will revert. That is, in the worst case scenario, you will get this, or the transaction will revert. The revert means the transaction will fail, but you won't be charged any fee. Your coins will still be in your wallet. Now, aside from that, you can also see the liquidity provider fee. The liquidity provider fee is for those who provide liquidity to the pool. So if there is only one person who provided liquidity to the pool, then it's likely he's going to get 0.005 BUSD from the transaction fee. So that is one of the beauty of being a liquidity provider. So when you click confirm swap, this is what happens. This is what happens. Now it shows you 0 BNB. Of course, it's going to show you 0 BNB because you're executing a smart contract transaction. You're not sending BNB. but it's going to show you your network fee, and your network fee is going to be, according to the network fee, is going to be $3.01. But do not be deceived by this, because this is an estimate. Okay, if you doubt it, let's look at this. So Smart Chain Network charges a transaction fee which varies based on the blockchain usage. 0% of fees are paid to Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is an estimated fee. The reason why I say so is because in our exchange, the minimum balance you need to have in BNB to execute a transaction is $6. Okay, that's the minimum you should have in your wallet, but that is not the fee we are going to debit, and I'll prove it to you guys in this video. Okay, so I will click approve. Okay, I will click approve. Then I'll now wait. So there are two things to track it. You can click on view on BS Scan Explorer, or you can click on pending, and you can see that it's rotating. You can see swap 1 BSD UD for 0.0922. So it has confirmed, and at the top of here it shows you the summary of your transaction. Swap 1 BUSD for 0.0922 FMTB. That's beautiful. Okay, you can close this, or you can close on its own. Like you've seen here, it has closed on its own. All right, now let me prove to you guys that I did not spend $3, despite the fact that the exchange is showing me $3. So let's go here. So this is my BNB account. Okay, my Smart Chain BNB, which means that because we're using Binance Smart Chain, you always have to have Smart Chain BNB, not the main network BNB. Okay, so this is the transaction we executed. Okay, you can see $0.28 was spent, not $3. Okay, $0.28 was spent, not $3. Okay, to also prove it to you guys, we'll go to more details to show you guys that this is the transaction I executed. I'm not pausing this video before you guys say it is photoshopped. No, it's not photoshopped. Okay, so if you go down here, you can see $1 was used to purchase 0.092266, and you can see the transaction fee $0.28. Okay, so you can see that. You can see that. All right, so you can see that the transaction is real and it's super fast. Super fast. 26 block confirmations within how many minutes? Within 1 minute. You can't say this for Ethereum blockchain. And that's why we love Binance Smart Chain with all our heart, and that is why we created our decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Just want to show you guys how to perform a swap and the things to take note of when performing a swap. Okay, and let me say this again. Okay, because you want to swap, because it's easy, does not mean that because it's simple, it's easy, does not mean that it's simple. Okay, because if you want to swap a particular asset for another asset and it's not giving you what you want, you can always hold and do that transaction. Unless it's super urgent, then you now swap. I get what I'm saying? Or that it is giving you what you want, then you now swap. I'm saying this for those who are trading, who are new to this, and who just think that because the price of an asset is saying this, that if you put any amount, you will swap, and you will not give any, or you will not pay any attention to what the exchange is telling you that it will pay you. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and let's see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.